I went ahead and removed that other slab of concrete. So I'm just going to redo the whole thing and be done with it. And I finally got the trench dug. It goes way down there. Okay, and this pitch, the bubble is pretty good on the high side. So I have good flow going down to the pop-up. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a drain in, a channel drain. It's going to go from that end down there all the way down here, connect to this pipe. Let's see here. Here's the drain. It's right here. It's called a channel drain. It's going to be situated about like this. And the reason that I'm doing this is because the driveway slopes downward to here. What's happening is it's going down here in these cracks. It's making this road. See, we have a little chippage here, but it's going down underneath the ground, so it's going to make the garage floor corrode. So I'm going to have a guy come through and he's going to seal all these cracks, take all the grass out of the cracks, seal it, and he's going to put a patch here, a hot patch, to bring this back up to level. So we'll start cutting maybe about right here, where my foot is, all the way back to here, and build that up. Then we'll put the cement in after we lay the rest of the pipe down. But there's a low area here. Let's see if I can get this taken care of, because water will come down here and pool right in here. I think there was another spot. Well, naturally we're going to take care of this one here. And let's see here. He's going to seal all of these cracks. See what we can do about this area right here. Well, about to take care of that too. Same thing along this edge here, where my foot is. All that grass is going to take all that out. Level this up down here so this doesn't pool back and the grass doesn't go in there. And then it'll be a wrap. So today he's coming out to take care of cutting out this section here. We're going to cut it. Let's see, I think it's 19 feet long from that end down to this end. Then we're going to cut it 9 inches from here back to here, so this can fit in there. We'll have 4 inches on each side, 4 inches on this side, and 4 inches on this side of the grate. And then it'll be a wrap. Then we have to get rid of all this stuff here, plus the stuff we're cutting up. Wish me luck.